Hi, I'm Siddharth. I'm working as an Associate Business Development Executive at Netsmartz since December 2024, and I've been enjoying my journey so far. That's a nice question. I think that's a nice question. I think Kar Maidan Fateh from Sanju can relate to my life because I've been shuttling from sleepless nights and coming to the office every day, showing up and meeting the targets, and also preparing for my marriage also simultaneously. So I think this song can relate to my current flow. For a quick mood boost, I think lemonade could be a good source of activeness inside my body, I think. In fact, my colleagues know much about me, but the thing which might be surprised them the most is my poeting skills. I love to write poetries, Hindi and English both, and I'm writing since from my initial college days, and I've been writing over there also and earned some kind of competitions and certificates in the inter-college poetry competition. And second one is my cooking. I'd say around from last 4 to 5 years I've been cooking out of sake of my passion, or I can say Chinese, Desi Chinese, Italian, South Indian. I love to cook. If I have the chance to swap the roles at Netsmartz for a day, I'm not gonna take another second for answering this question. I would say Manipal sir, because Manipal sir have been given his whole life to this company, and from last 25 years we are scaling up, and I would like to feel how that what kind of feeling I must have by surrounding people which have given more than 20 years of their life to this company and the vision of Manipal sir. Since I joined the organization from December 2024, I got a multiple opportunity to work in different campaigns, but the project which I am proud of and I'm proud of and I'm working in that particular project is AI first campaign of ours. We are driving growth to the companies who are struggling between bringing the most important ROIs to their current workflows, and if they want to implement any kind of DevOps pipelines, they are coming with me that questions too. So each and every day is coming different kind of questions where people want to implement AI into their workflow and they are so much confused where to implement, how to implement. So our AI first campaign gives that kind of clarity to bring that kind of ROI to that particular organization. So this particular company's campaign is so much important for me. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to come forward and sharing my story with you. And I would like to suggest all the Netsmartzians to come forward and share your story. Thank you.